Everything could be so simple. A closely woven system of measuring points monitors flow rates in a drinking water supply network as seamlessly as possible. Leaks and hydrological problem zones can be detected and corrected as quickly as possible. The reality looks somewhat different. Why? Installation of conventional flow measuring points in a drinking water supply network incurs high costs and an enormous amount of effort. Not with Fluxys by Flexim. Flexim is a technology leader in the field of non-invasive flow measurement with clamp-on ultrasonic technology. Fluxys clamp-on ultrasonic systems measure according to the transit time difference method. Since the transducers are mounted on the outside of the pipe, no interventions in the pipeline system are necessary. The drift-free and long-term stable acoustic measuring method detects even the smallest flows, even those that lie below the response threshold of conventional flow meters. Therefore, Fluxys is the ideal instrument for monitoring minimum flow rates at night, and thus the key to effective consumption and leakage monitoring. With Fluxys, a flow measuring point can be conveniently set up within half a working day, without supply interruptions, without affecting traffic, and without a heavy lifting device. For the installation of the ultrasonic measuring system, only temporary access to the pipe has to be created. The service engineer first checks the pipe dimensions. Sturdy mounting devices made of stainless steel ensure that the flow transducers are permanently stable when installed. Even on the transducers themselves, nothing can break. The cable and sensor are firmly connected. No plug can come loose. Water or dirt cannot penetrate anywhere. The ultrasonic transducers have IP68 protection and can operate continuously underwater. Coupling pads made of elastic plastic ensure permanent optimal acoustic coupling to the pipe without any wear. Thanks to their unique internal temperature compensation, Flexim transducers do not show any drift during temperature fluctuations. Setup of the measuring point on the pipe is completed by positioning and fixing the ultrasonic transducers. Now only the connection to the measuring transmitter, housed in a switch cabinet, has to be created. The calibration data of carefully paired and calibrated transducers are stored on one chip and are automatically transferred to the measuring transmitter. A zero-point calibration on site is not necessary. Where nothing flows, Fluxys reliably measures zero. Measurement in progress. The measuring results are either transmitted by cable or wirelessly via GSM to the process control system. Practical self-diagnosis functions allow for safe evaluation of the measurement quality. Done. Now the measuring point can be refilled underground. Since the pipeline remained completely intact, there was no need to flush the pipe, and no need for the final leak test. In the office, the measured values can be visualized and evaluated on a computer. Fluxys is the ideal instrument for effective flow rate monitoring in a drinking water supply network. It is easy to install. No supply interruption, no shaft construction. The highly developed Flexim technology ensures long-term high measuring accuracy with absolute zero-point stability, no measurement drift, and highly sensitive to low flow rates. Fluxys is therefore the ideal solution for monitoring DMAs.